Hi everyone, Christine here at Christine's Craft Table, coming to you to make up my last day that I missed for the National Crochet Month challenge put out by Ola Joe, the crocheting sailor. And this is for day 4. And the topic was something I'd like to try. So a while back, probably a couple months ago, Crystal at Bag O' Day was talking about how it was very hard for her to put out a pattern that was that included all different sizes, you know, from extra small to 3, 4, 5X, because it was just a lot of work to do all those calculations and then to explain it all in the tutorial. And so that's why she was explaining that she didn't often do that. So what she decided to do was to do a video explaining what her measurements were and how she arrived at the sweater based on those measurements, and then instruct us on which measurements we needed to take of ourselves to then, you know, do the math and come up with the size of the pieces for the sweater for ourselves. And I have wanted to try that ever since she put out those videos. She put out the one explaining which measurements to take, and then she put out another video shortly thereafter called Grandpa's Closet Cardigan. And in that, she kind of incorporated that explanation and her measurements to be able to match ours to it. And that sounds really confusing. Anyway, this is what I want to try and do. But my hesitation was, for me, it's going to be a large sweater, probably a 3X, and that's a lot of yarn. And I don't want to mess up with a lot of yarn because that's time consuming and it's expensive. So it's kind of one of the main reasons I have not made myself many wearables. Any wearables. I think a poncho is the closest thing I've come to a wearable. So here's my bright idea. I have this 18-inch doll that I purchased to make doll clothes for my niece, which has come in very handy. I made her several outfits, and I thought I'll take her measurements and make her the sweater, and that way I can get used to the process before I embark on the real deal. So this is my plan, and I will be starting it soon. My list of to-do items is quite large right now, but this is the thing I want to try, and I will try it. I will get that done. I will say this year, hopefully within months, but at least this year. And there's the thing I want to try. Thank you, Crystal, for empowering us, giving us yet another tool to help us to progress in our crochet journey, and I will try to do you proud. And this is the yarn I've chosen to use. Since it's called Grandpa's Sweater, I figured this was a nice color that Grandpa would wear, and I think it's actually kind of close to the color that Crystal used. This is I Love This yarn print in the color Desert Dust. So I think this should be enough. It's like 252 yards of a 4-weight. Thanks again for watching. Please like if you liked the video. Leave me a comment, any suggestions you might have, and do subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. See you next time.